Here in question number 8, again it is volume related question. They have used the concept of speed here to explain. Means they are telling water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Means water is flowing with the speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Here speed is representing length indirectly. Okay, I'll tell you how. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? Standing water is needed means there are some crops जिसमें हमें पानी खेत में भरना होता है for irrigation, तो we call that as standing water. Now what they are telling कि there is a canal which is 6 meter wide, means width is 6 meter and depth they are telling ki depth is 1.5 meter, and through that canal water is flowing, and that water is flowing at a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, now here observe properly, it is in meter, it is in meter, and it is in kilometer. So we will make unit same. So here the speed kilometer we will convert into meter, so we will multiply it by 1000 into 1000 meter per hour. So h is written. So this is the speed through which the water is flowing from the canal. Now they are telling कि how much area will it irrigate, means this water is flowing and going into the field. So we have to find the area of the field. Suppose this is the field. Okay, so this is our length and this is the breadth. So area of the field will become length into breadth. That is our area. Area is length into breadth. But they are telling ki in the field they need standing water. Standing water means this much water. That height of water should be 8 centimeter. That field should have a standing water of how much centimeter? 8 centimeter. So what we are going to do? A very simple logic we will follow here again. The volume of water which is coming out from the canal will be equal to the volume of water that is getting filled in the field. Okay, so same way, but how much time they have given? They have given the irrigation should be done in how much minute? 30 minutes. Here it is 10 into 1000 meter per hour. It is in per hour. We want that it should be in 30 minutes. So first we will do the conversion. Okay, so we will write the speed of water solution. So we will write here speed of water. They have given speed of water as 10 kilometer per hour. We have converted that 10 kilometer per hour into here meter, and here it is per hour and we need minutes, so hours we will convert into minutes, so it will become 60 minutes. So we can cancel, so 0 से 0 cancel, so it will become 1000 upon 6 meter per minute. Okay, so we will write here speed of water. Okay, how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? So we will write here it is per minute. Okay, so we will write volume of water flowing through canal in 30 minutes. 30 minutes में जितना पानी निकलेगा उतना ही पानी will be able to irrigate the field. So is equals to volume of water in field. Okay, volume of water flowing through canal in 30 minutes is equals to volume of water in the field. This is the theme line. How much water is flowing out through the canal in 30 minutes will be equal to the water going in the field. Okay, so here canal, ध्यान से देखें, if you will observe, तो it is length, breadth and height, means it is a shape of cuboid. So our formula will become here 1.5 into 6 into, here it is 1000 upon 6, it is meter per minute, but we need it for 30 minutes, so we will multiply by 30 minute. We will multiply it by 30 minutes. Is it clear? It is meter per minute. Meter per minute. So we are multiplying it by 30 minutes is equals to here volume of field. Again observe properly, volume of field will be, height will be 8 and this length into breadth. Okay. So here volume of water in the field is equals to 8 centimeter into length into breadth. Now here one more conversion is required, because since it is in centimeter and remaining units are in meter and meter, so we can convert this 8 centimeter into meter by dividing it by 100. So automatically this will come in meters. Okay, now we will write here conversion of the unit. Now this will convert as area and we will transpose, so it will become 1.5 into 6 into 1000 upon 6 into 30, this 100 will go up, so into 100 this 8 will come down, so it will become 8, and here length into breadth will be area of field. Units will be cancelled, and since it is the area of field, so it will be in meter square. Okay, and we can cancel it here and here. You can cancel it by 2, so it will come as 4 and it will be 15 1za and 25, so 1.6 into 1000 into 15 into 25, and you will get the, okay, when we will multiply all the things, then we will get the answer as 5 6 2 5 00 meter square. It is area of field. Okay, so here we have to find the area of field, and if we want to find this area of field in the hectares, so if you want to convert this into hectares, you should divide it by 10,000. This is the area in meter square. If I need to convert this into hectares, I will divide it by 10,000. So I am doing upside here. If we want the area in hectares, so we will divide it by 10,000, so it will become 5 6 2 5 00 upon 10,000, then it becomes hectare, and this is the area of field. So you will solve, so it will come 56.25 hectares is equals to area of field. Understood everyone?